Suppose we have captured in this table the results of some science experiments using 4 different samples, each with 6 different concentrations and 6 reaction times. However, when trying to analyze and graph the data, we realize that it is not so simple, since the pivot tables present some obstacles, due to the structure of the matrix, with double headings for rows and columns. What to do? This type of problems requires advanced knowledge of Excel. That's why QuickRows is very useful for non-specialist users. Let's see how we can convert this data matrix into a tabular list that can be easily analyzed and plotted within Excel. It is enough to invoke the column operations function and indicate the row and column headings that we want to tabulate, as well as the coordinates of the first cell that contains data in the matrix. By pressing the Go button, we obtain a new sheet with the requested list in a standardized format that is easy to totalize. Now we can analyze our data using pivot tables. For example, let's calculate the average values of the observations by reaction time. Perfect. Let's build a second table totaling by sample and mixture. Very good. One last table, this time by sample and reaction time. Excellent. Now we can use the automatic slicers to perform an easy analysis of our data. Return to the original matrix to see how to build a different structure from the same raw data. Suppose we would like to analyze only the results by experiment number and reaction time. In other words, we would like to create a listing by row 1 and column B. The resulting list is similar, except that it contains fewer columns. We can use it to build pivot tables with the same easiness. QuickRows has provided us with a magnificent tool to do it without knowing advanced Excel. That is why it is so powerful. We invite you to try it for free. Download it right now and convince yourself. See you in the next video.